Hello, happy Easter! For us tourist guides, Easter was usually the beginning of the season. We started to work. We got first groups from abroad. Well, this year is a bit different. We cannot show you the Easter spirit from Slovenia in life. That's why we decided at our Association of Regional Tourist Guides from Slovenia that we will come to your homes via this YouTube channel. My name is Mateja and I'm a local guide from the capital of Slovenia, Ljubljana. Today is Easter Monday. You remember what we are commemorating today? Yes, 2 disciples went to Emmaus and Jesus followed them and they haven't even noticed. In Slovenia we say that also on Easter Monday we go to Emmaus. That means that we are visiting our friends. We gather in the city centers, in the center of the villages, or we simply visit them in their homes. And if you are visiting somebody, of course you have to bring some gifts. And on Easter Monday, gifts will be sure something from the Easter basket. The most colorful thing from the Easter basket are of course our Easter eggs. We call them PIRHI. P-I-R-H-I. PIRHI. We said that there has to be in the Easter basket 5 red PIRHI because they present Jesus' wounds, and the other ones have to be colorful ones because Easter is a happy holiday. And some of them like to spend some more time decorating Easter eggs, like our colleagues from the southeastern part of Slovenia, Bela Krajina, and they are making this kind of pisanice. You see, they are decorating Easter eggs with white, red and black color. This is a gift from my neighbor Tatiana. Just this year I got it. Well, when you meet your friends, you would like to have some fun as well. So we bring extra Easter eggs and we try to play some games. Can you imagine sitting on a green, soft spring meadow and playing like mini golf with Easter eggs? Or maybe a bowling where you would like to bring your Easter bag as close as possible to the main Easter red egg in the center? There is also rolling an Easter egg, and of course the winner is the one who comes closer. And the most popular ones, I would say, is crushing an Easter egg with a coin. You played, it's not so easy. And you know what? Again, the winner takes it all. Takes eggs and money. Well, dear ladies and gentlemen, something like that we would like you to experience in Slovenia. So make sure that Slovenia will be on your bucket list. We say these days, dream now, travel later. Thank you very much for your attention. Wish you a very pleasant Easter Monday. Have a nice week and do visit us here.